particular project called Arichain. Just watch this particular video to them because I will explain it to you the things you need to do. Because if you are mining Arichain, there's a wallet upgradation that is actually coming soon, and there are some certain things which you need to have in to put in place for you to be able to do that particular wallet upgrade that will be coming soon. And don't forget that this particular token listening will actually be happening in the Q4 of this particular year. So let's go back to the X account and let me show you the wallet upgrade and the things you need to do, which I'll be sharing with you in this particular video. If you haven't watched my previous video where I showed you how to copy your master key of this particular array, without that master key, I tell you, you are not the owner of what you have actually mined. So I'll be dropping the video link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Try as much as possible to watch it, and don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to notify anytime I upload any other new video. I know how to join community of WhatsApp of enthusiast crypto. I will be dropping my link of my community WhatsApp group in the description and also in the comment of the particular video. If you want to buy your crypto like Sidra, Ruby, and Hector, you can also buy my community. So let's go to the Arichain X account. This is actually serious because it seems at least we are coming to the end of this particular mining section. Don't forget that our daily quiz Arichain has actually stopped it. And if you looked at it now, this is the Ari wallet. This is a verified X account. And let's read what they actually tweet not long ago, which was on, let me look at that particular day, which was October 20th. And today is around October 21. So look at, they say the Ari wallet registration of, look at that. It says scheduled for late October to early November. That means this wallet upgrade can be happening at any moment from now. And if it is happening any moment from now, there's a certain thing which you need to put in place, which I'll be sharing with you. And look at this, Ari wallet. They say submit your EVM wallet. Don't worry, I will explain what EVM wallet is all about. And also your Discord nickname. Discord in-app, submit your Ari wallet address and EVM wallet address. This update will launch through a future upgrade plan for late October to early November. So let me show you how you'll be able to perform this particular task there, which is the EVM wallet and the Discord. So for you not to join anyhow Discord channel, where if you log in on your Arichain and you come to this particular place called General, and you come, there's particular tax here which is for you to join their Discord server. I really don't did my own, and that is why you are seeing join here. So you have to do your own. You can just go to Play Store and tap Discord and just download if you do not have. And if you have, just do the particular task, then you'll be able to join their Discord. And let me show you how you'll be able to copy your Discord nickname. Let me show you quickly. So this is how Discord actually looks, but I'm trying to find the Arichain Discord server here. Among, you see, I have a lot of crypto because they know how you be in crypto that you actually not have Discord. It's just like a chatting app, but the function that it has is actually much quite different from Telegram and other social media tags. But I couldn't find it. But if you want to copy your nickname after you have downloaded, or if you have Discord, just open it and come to this particular place called this is your you. You tap on this is your you. You could see now this is my own. Now this is my own nickname now. So if you just tap on this particular drop this arrow pointing down, be able to copy this your name. So this is my nickname, is this one that you are seeing, that M Chris is a nickname. So you just have to copy it, and you just have to, I see a lot of people, I don't actually know, but we are still waiting for the update for them, that a lot of people are actually doing it, dropping their EVM wallet. So you can see now, you can see somebody say Discord username. I think this is what you just need to do. You just come, I'll be dropping the link to this tweet in the description and also in the comment section of the particular video. So just go there and copy your Discord link name. And if you want to copy your EVM wallet, this is it. So if you are talking about EVM wallet, it is just this Ethereum. It stands for, I think, Ethereum. I've forgotten it. Just start for this particular Ethereum wallet. I have a lot of wallet I've created on my Trust wallet. Let me use this one. So what I will just have to do is to just search for Ethereum. Let me search for Ethereum because it is Ethereum we'll be using. Let me tap on it. So if you are using, you can either use Trust Wallet or or your MetaMask. Then you come tap on this your received, then you copy it. Then if you have copied it, that is your AVM wallet. So if me now, if I want to reply to this particular tweet now, just have to come to this particular message here. So I'll just say EVM wallet address, but I still believe that they will still post more info on how to go about this particular wallet upgrade. So Discord, let me tap it, Discord username. So I think, let me look at it. So this is my Discord username and everything. I've actually typed it. Let me just post it. So that is it. But I believe that there will still be more information relating to about this system, Arichain wallet upgrade. But just make sure you have your Trust wallet or your MetaMask then in place, that you just have it installed on your mobile phone, and your Discord server do all the necessary registration, have it in place, so that anytime we will need to start doing this particular linking of this particular Arichain wallet, so that be able to do it ASAP. So this is what I have to share for you. This was easily helpful. Please can bye bye for now.